Hello guys, welcome to Ejikon Climbers Infotech. This video we will look at how to create an info chart in PowerPoint the easiest way. Let's say I have this list in PowerPoint. So this slide talks about components of a computer system, and we are talking about hardware here in this slide. So I would like to convert this slide into an info chart, or let's say info chart. We want to do it the quickest or the easiest way, since we already have our text well arranged. Now before you do this, make sure you arrange them in order of hierarchy. What I mean is, if you want this one to be the main heading, let it be the one starting the the left margin. If you want this one to be the subheading, it should fall under this. This one should be a subheading of this, it should fall under this, and these ones too are under this, it should fall under them. As you can see how I've arranged them. So components of a computer system is the main topic, and hardware is a subtopic under the components of computer system. And under hardware we have input hardware, which is also under hardware, and under input hardware we have examples like keyboard, mouse. So you can arrange them in this way. The same thing if we come to this slide, we have software. So components of computer system, software, system software, and under system software we have the operating system, device drivers, language translation, and the Unity software. So this is how you should arrange your text or your content if you want to quickly create a chart. So let's start with hardware. So go to hardware. Now what we need to do is to click inside the text box, Control A to select all, and then you right click, and quickly you go to convert to smart art. So with the smart art we can choose from tons of layouts, right? So let's say I want to which one will save my day. Let's look at this one is not what I want. Let's look at this. No. Let's look at this. No, I don't want something like this. Maybe I want something like this. Good. So this is what I want. So I'll select it, and instantly it creates an infograph of the text that I have. So we have components of a computer system, we have hardware, and under hardware we have processing. So input hardware, processing hardware, output hardware, storage hardware. And you can see that under input hardware these are the examples: keyboard, mouse, and the like. So we can actually reduce the size of the graph or the chart, the chart, and then we can choose the star we want. I want this star, and when I come here I have to change colors. We have different forms of colors here depending on your choice. You can choose one that you like. Let's say I want this one. Good. So I want this one. So this one is better, so I can use this. And over here we can still change the layout. You can see you can choose the one that comes with an image. So you see you can have an image of that particular thing you want to describe. This one is also there. Okay, we can use this. I think it's not bad, guys. This is not bad. Let's try this and see. And then we can use this. Good, it's nice, but if we want to print this, it means we need to fill this, format this. Let's fill this one with something. Let's say we can go for a lighter one, and then we can do a preset of it. In fact, so this one star, we can quickly double click here and come back to the old star, but now we have so we can use this one, right? So this becomes our info chart. Now we come to software, we do same, we right click, we convert to smart art. Let's choose this, and boom, this we have. You can equally change the star. Okay, you can change the star. I think I'll go for this one this time around, and then I'll try and get some. If I don't have, let me choose any picture at all. Let's say I want to even insert this picture. Okay, so that picture comes in here. I think it looks nice. So you can actually use a better picture to describe what you are trying to say. If you don't want this, you can still change it to whichever type you want, and you can look for more. This one is not bad, because you can see this one, you can see this one, you can see this layout. Wow, this is also an amazing layout. In fact, all the layouts are fantastic. You see, this one is very good for this one, very good for a handout. Okay, but if you want to print this in a class, I'll go for this. If you want to print this in a class, maybe you want to print this in your computer lab, I think this is not bad at all. What we can do is just to give this one some background color, or we can change the colors. Okay, so we can actually change the colors. You can give this one a background color, format, shape fill. You can actually give it a background color. Okay, so this one is very nice. And then the whole thing, the whole page, you can format it. You can format the whole page. Let's say you give it a pattern. It looks nice. And so we can remove this one, or we can set a transparency. Let's set a transparency, and this is better. I think this one looks amazing. Let's preview this slide. Boom. So you can print this one and paste it in your computer lab, and when the students enter the lab, they can read and learn. You know, you don't need to always give them chunk of notes. Sometimes we need to create an infographics to simplify the whole lesson. And so computer system software broken into its simplest form like this, and I think it's good. Guys, I still entreat that you subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and then turn on the notification bell, because I'll be releasing tons of videos each and every day or each and every week, and you'll be notified if you turn on the notification bell. So today, this is where we end our presentation of our video, and let's all stay blessed and keep in touch. Bye bye.